Surrender, just an illusion. Surrender is just an illusion. Yet still it is the essential prerequisite to be in the company of a master. I emphasize, yet still it is the essential prerequisite to be in the company of a master. Because in surrendering to the master, you only surrender that which does not exist. You surrender that which does not exist. Surrender implies that which you do not have and you think that you have has to be surrendered to the master. Surrender implies that which you do not have and you think that you have has to be surrendered. What is that you think you have and in reality you do not have? What is that you think you have and in reality you do not have? You do not really have the ego, I-ness and the self. Ego is the false identity. It appears to exist, but in reality it does not. You do not have it really. You are living in a kind of illusion that you are separate from the existence. That separation is not there. You cannot live for a single split moment as separate. You cannot live like an island. You are part of the whole. The whole goes on participating in your being every moment. The breeze, the sunlight, the air that you breathe, everything, in every way, the whole goes on participating in your being. The whole goes on showing you with its energy. But you have the idea that I am separate. That I am separate from the whole. No one likes me, etc. It is the mind that gives this impression of separateness. Human mind is dualistic. One moment the mind feels happy and the next moment sad. Neither of the two is permanent. This I-ness has to be surrendered to the master. This duality has to be surrendered to the master. And you do not have it. Yet still you carry the imagination that you have it. It is not your nature. So you will not be really surrendering something to the master. Surrender is just an illusion. You are surrendering that which is illusionary in you. Let me repeat. That which you do not have or that exists as a mirage, the master wants to take away from you. This is surrender. Let me repeat. That which you do not have or that exists as a mirage, master wants to take away from you. This is surrender. And that which you have, the master gives you back renewed. Your reality, he gives you back to you. You have forgotten about it. You cannot remember that this is your nature. And your unreality, I want to take away from you and make you once again acquainted with your nature. Your past and future, all I want to take away from you. And then I want to bring to you. And then I want to bring you to this very moment. The now and now here. This is transformation. This is surrender. Remember, when you surrender your ego, you are not losing anything. Instead you gain. You gain reality. You discover your original face. It is as if you were sleeping and you were dreaming as well. And then suddenly the master comes to wake you up. Only your dream is lost. You are not lost. But have you lost anything? The dream was not there in the first place. It was not a reality. It was a dream, only a dream. And now you open your eyes. The sun of awareness is on the rise. It is morning and the sun is rising and the birds are chirping and the trees are happy with the new day. It is the dawn of new awakening, new joy, new bliss. The Master gives you that which is and takes away that which is not. He wakes you up, also He makes sure that you do not fall back into the trap of your dreams. This is surrender. Master wakes you up and also He makes sure that you do not fall back into the trap of your dream. This is surrender. This is the way of transformation. You do not lose anything. And remember, the Master does not gain anything because of your surrender. So never be misguided or be miserly. Never think that Master will be gaining anything out of your surrender. The Master gains nothing. When He wakes you up, your dream is lost, but the Master does not get your dream. Otherwise the Master would never have asked you to surrender your ego to Him. If the Master gets burdened with the dreams of His disciples or his mental clutter, he will almost be crushed or killed. I have heard once a man visited his friend. The friend was very afraid because of his past experiences with this man. He bored him so much with his talks for hours and hours, and then when he was leaving, he said, "This is strange. When I came, I had a headache. Now it is gone." And the host, who was the victim, told his friend not to worry because he has taken his headache, and that the headache has not disappeared. Instead, it has changed hands only. Instead, it has changed hands only. Such is not the case when the Master takes away your ego. Such is not the case when Master takes away your ego. As such, when you surrender the ego, the Master does not get it. When you surrender your headache, I do not get anything out of it. There is nothing to worry. So never be miserly. Also never think that the Master must be piling up great treasures because so many people are surrendering to Him. The Master does not get anything. Also never think that the Master must be piling up great treasures because so many people are surrendering to Him. The Master does not get anything. What you surrender is nothing, but what you gain is much. What you surrender is nothing, but what you gain is much more than your surrender. Remember, what you gain is much more than your surrender. You get reality. You get your authenticity back. You get your nature back. You get your authenticity back. You get your nature back. This is surrender. This is surrender. Only this much for now.